Hello, magical colors, boys and girls. Today's magical colors. Let's draw unicorn. To draw unicorn, we'll be needing one pencil, one marker, and rainbow colors if you like, or whatever you have. Or you can leave it just with a pencil. Learn how to draw unicorn. It's very easy. You all know how to make a letter J, right? So we're going to make slant letter J like this. Okay, so let's do it. You can also make some marks. Okay, let's put one dot here and one dot all the way down here. Okay, start from your right side and stop on the left side. And we're going to connect. Go down, make a curve, and one more curve like a open V. Yeah, this looks like a U shape, and this is a curve or a half a circle. Okay, and then we need to go make one teardrop for the nose and one beautiful eyes, backwards U and a U. Make a pupil. Unicorn have a nice big eyes. You can add some eyelashes if you like. Make one horn and make some lines inside. You can do it. And go up and make a curve for the ears, okay? And then come down under here, under the mouth, and make a one line. Now unicorn has a beautiful hair. So let's make beautiful hair for unicorn, okay? Let's make a backward S and backward S again and again and again. You can make as many as you want. You can make 7 or 8 lines for your rainbow colors. Let's see. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and violet or indigo color. Now let's make one more here, a baby unicorn. Let's make a U shape and make a curved line for the head. We need 2 ears. Go out, straight line, curve it, and come inside. Now in the center, make one like a letter A, and you can make little fancy lines inside like this, like a curve S. We need 2 lines, curves, or you can say U or semicircle, you can say, and make some eyelashes. We need a mouth that makes like this, like a curved line, and 2 dots, a happy smile. We need to make few hair for our baby unicorn too. We're going to start under the ears on the left. Here we started on the right. Okay, here we're going to start on the left, but you can start on either side you like. Okay, curve, go down, make letter S. We're going to make one more letter S and one more letter S, one more, and go till down, or how many you like, you can make it. Okay, now let's color or do an outline. Let's do outline one more time. Let's practice. Make a line like a backwards J and connect. Looks like a sleeping tree to me. Make a teardrop for the nose. Make a big U and connect a U. Backwards U and a U for the eyes, and for the pupil again make a U and make a nice big circle inside. Let's make an eyelashes. Let's make a horn. You can make one dot, come back and connect. Follow the lines. We have already made it. It's okay if it goes out of the line, because sometimes it is okay. We can rub the pencil lines, okay? Go up and make a curve and come down. Now make one line under the mouth. Now we need to make backward S. See, like this. It's very easy, just a curve lines. to make a beautiful unicorn here. Okay, see, keep going. You can make as many as you like, or just few, however you like. It's your drawing. Make one more U shape and curve and connect. Make line and curve and connect on both the side. Now make like a V, backwards V, and then you can make curved lines inside. Now let's make a semicircle, like a half a circle, just a little shell, like a sleeping sea for our eyes and some eyelashes. Now need to make a curve on the down of the U to make a mouth. Need two nostrils and a line for the happy face. Let's make letter S. Keep making S and connect. Keep making S and connect as many as you want. Okay, or for rainbow you need 8. Let's see if we can color. Okay, so I have a nice colors. Let's start with the red, then goes orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and indigo. Let's start. You can color very easy. Okay, it's very easy. Go inside the lines and go one more inside the lines, and then you can color. Okay, now let's color. You can color from up to down, or you can do side by side. Okay, do it in one direction. Yep, that is done. Let's make it for baby too. Do it in a small lines. It will look neat. Red is done. Let's do it orange. Make a line close to our pencil line or Sharpie line and block it so we can fill the color inside. Okay, do the outline first and then fill it inside. Do it up and down, or side by side, however you like. Staying inside is important. Okay, just the way here also we can do it. Both the side for the baby and mama, we're going to do it together. If we pick one color, just do it on both the side. So you can finish mama and baby together. And let's do it yellow also. Make an outline and fill it inside. You can color neatly and fill it nice and dark. I'm going to finish it quickly and then you can start. Let's do the green now. Let's start with the baby first and then you can do it to mama too. Outline and fill it up and down or side by side. Do it only if you're doing up and down, just do up and down only. Okay, up and down and side by side, don't do it together because it look messy lines. Yeah, I know you all know it. You all are so clever. You can do it. I can do it, you can do it. There you go, almost done. Unicorn is almost done with coloring. Wow, it's fast, right? You all can do it. It is very, very easy. There you go. Blue is done. Now we need an purple. See? You can make a backward S like this or a curved line inside and then color. There you go. And the last color. If there's a small place, just color it, okay? You don't need to do outline. There's a big place, that's why I'm doing the outline first. And then I'm going to color. But you will be still able to see your marker lines. If you don't like the pencil lines which is peeking from inside, you can always rub those lines. Okay, all done. So pretty. I like it. You like it? Okay, see you. Bye.